Welcome to today's lesson, where we'll dive into an exciting and professional example of HLOOKUP. As we've talked about earlier, HLOOKUP is an incredibly useful function in Excel when you need to find values horizontally, rather than vertically like VLOOKUP. Essentially, HLOOKUP searches for a value in the top row of a table and then returns data from a specified row beneath it. It's a great tool for tasks such as finding product prices, tracking student grades, or checking inventory details. However, this function is less flexible compared to VLOOKUP because it only works with data arranged horizontally. But don't worry, by the end of this lesson, you'll feel confident using HLOOKUP in a variety of scenarios. Now, let's jump into a practical example. In front of us, we have two tables. The first one is a sales report from the year 2013 to 2022, covering 4 retailers. The second table is where we need to find the sales data for the years 2014 and 2015, using employee names as the reference point. As you can see, the data is laid out horizontally, which makes it the perfect opportunity to use the HLOOKUP function. Let's start with 2014. In cell M8, type the formula by starting with equals HLOOKUP. For the lookup value, select the cell L8, where we have the employee name. Next, select the entire table range from B7 to F17 to use as our table array. Now, this is where things get a little different from VLOOKUP. In HLOOKUP, instead of the column index number, we need to provide the row index number. For the year 2014, the data is in row 3, so the row index number will be 3. Then we need to specify whether we want an exact match. So we'll type false for that. Hit enter and voila! You'll instantly see the sales data for the year 2014. Now, let's move on to 2015. We'll follow the same steps. Type equals HLOOKUP in the formula bar. Select L8 as the lookup value. And choose the same table array range, B7 to F17. The difference this time is the row index number. For 2015, the data we need is in row 4, so we'll set the row index number to 4. After typing false again for an exact match, hit enter. There you go. You'll have the sales data for 2015 right in front of you. Here's where it gets really fun. If you change the lookup value to John, both the 2014 and 2015 sales data will update automatically. This shows that our formula is dynamic and working properly. It's really cool to see how HLOOKUP adapts to the data. So, to wrap things up, we've successfully used HLOOKUP to find sales data for specific years, based on employee names, all from a horizontally laid out table. Keep practicing with HLOOKUP, and you'll soon be comfortable using it in your own Excel tasks. Thanks for joining today's lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.